Okay guys, we're back in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we got another bag of random stuff from the China Bazaar. So I'm gonna open that and see what we got in it. Alright. Oh. Got a fan. Heather has a fan. I guess we can give that to Heather. With flowers. Alright. That's nice. Alright. Oh. Another one of these knives. I think this is the 5th one we have. I don't know where any of them are, but that's the 5th one. Looks like this. Actually, I think this one's a little better. None of the other ones have this little knob here. So we got that. Oh, what up? We got 2 of them, so we got 6 of them now. Don't want to cut myself. So there's those 2. Oh, nondescript white box. Let's see here. Which means usually, yeah, another knife. Let's see if we can get this open. It's like a duty knife. Made to duty. Let's see. Well, anyways, let's see if we can get it open. Give me 2 seconds. Be right back.
You can pause it.
This isn't working out very well. Oh wait. Now you're supposed to be able to click this and it open. Anyways, probably a cheap knife. But there's a knife. It's the other thing we got. Oh, Heather's gonna be happy. Fidget spinner. Oh, it's a pink fidget spinner. No, it's like Pepto-Bismol pink. No. I don't think so. Not good at doing this with one hand. Okay. Alright, so got all those. And a fidget spinner.
I'll get it.
Where you? Alright. So, $10. That's all we got.
Not worth it.
Totally worth it. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.